Hello investors and welcome back to Just Randy Stocks. I wanted to do a very quick video update. Going to cover a lot, but if you pause the video, you can go back to these points, look at the screen, follow the website, review any of the information that I have in this video. So the first thing I wanted to do was cover the price action for ORPH. Next, I just wanted to touch on volume. This is why it took off today. You can see the average volume 1.3 and it's sitting at 120 million, and that's why we're seeing the type of movements that we're seeing today. I also wanted to make sure for anybody that didn't get in on this stock and it had already taken off, went 1,400%, and today we're seeing about 130% price movement. How do you get ahead of these dates, and where is this information centrally located? How to trade biotech FDA approval stocks, really good video here. What is the PDUFA? The PDUFA date is this catalyst, the FDA Calendar, so FDAtracker.com. We're also quickly going to cover biofarmcatalyst.com. So as we're looking at all of this information, I did find Provention Bio Incorporated. This could potentially be the next stock to look out for. If you didn't get in on this last one, I believe that this price is one worth considering and watching. It could go a little bit lower, so maybe not get in at this price, and don't be eager. There's always going to be another stock. Also, Dr. Dean, he did a couple of videos on the stock that I just mentioned, PRVB. So diabetes vaccine, and then a few articles that support that specific stock. So anybody that didn't get in on ORPH, there's always going to be another opportunity to get in on the next stock. If that interests you, stay tuned to the video. This is going to be a quick one. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing I'd like to do is let's go back and look and see what happened on this huge massive push. So the only data that we have in the chart would be back here in June 10th at 120, it reached $30. And as you can see today, right now we're sitting at 1:55 p.m. and it's trending downward at $17. So we peaked up here at 110. It hadn't hit 130. So I knew that we had started losing momentum. And now you see this downward trend. Now we still have the catalyst that's upcoming tomorrow, and that's, whether or not there's FDA approval, but people took profits at about 130%. People took profits on Monday at 30% on this one. Highly volatile, risky play. And what I wanted to talk about was, how do we get ahead of, and where is this information centrally located, so that way if you didn't have an opportunity to get in on ORPH, what is the next one? So you've got two options. You can take a look at the FDAtracker.com, which has got the ticker symbols listed here. You can click on these and you can look at the price, the current price. And I would say, as mentioned in the video that I showed you previously, if you check that out, anything that's below $10 is worth considering, because you want to get in that price target where there's going to be high volume that's going to push the price higher, and then you want to make sure that whatever you're investing in has some good news behind it. And that's why I wanted to point out specifically PRVB, Provention Bio company, looks to be a promising stock that I plan on doing another video on maybe later this week or this weekend. This next .com worth exploring is biofarmcatalyst.com, and as you can see here, you can filter by the last updated, the types of stages. So if you wanted to click by stages and you wanted your PDUFA dates up here first, and you wanted to scroll through and look at your prices so you could find something that's under $10, PRVB, the type 1 diabetes. And then here's your key name for your searching if you're looking to explore any data further. And if I refresh this, we can see it's on a 5% increase just today. People were liking the price action on this around $8. It could revisit that. Feel free to go to Yahoo Finance and look at the conversations to see what people are saying. Take a look and see what the analysts are saying here, and scroll down to see what kind of price target action. You can see right now it's currently at $8.43. It's lower than $9, and the average is $18.21 and a high of 27. So it might not be a $1,400 increase, but I would say that this is a safer play than the previous very volatile stock. So Dr. Dean, if you haven't subscribed, I would say you want to keep a few YouTubers in your pocket that seem to put out pretty good content, and this is one that I subscribe to. So nothing wrong with sharing the love out there. I've actually done a few comments, haven't received anything back, but shout out to Dr. Dean. I think he does some good content. But make sure you're always doing your own fact checking. Then feel free to take a look at this this link, HCP Live. There's an article on PRVB, and then also it's mentioned here in the New England Journal of Medicine. So that's my time for this video. I'm going to go ahead and get this one quickly edited and out to you. Just a reminder, if you didn't get in this stock, don't beat yourself up. You weren't willing to take the risk. These decisions need to be yours. I'm going to give you all the information to make your own decisions. If you ask me what I would do, it's probably not going to be the same thing that you would do. We've probably got different trading strategies, but I'm going to make sure you have the latest and greatest information, most accurate and up-to-date, completely unbiased, to try and help you make money so you can retire early. So just a reminder, buy low, sell high, and I'll see you in the next video.